Hi everyone, this is the general video for the fact sheet project. So you can see here on Blackboard, if you click on fact sheet project, you have these items. And since I've recorded this before the videos exist, they're not there, but they will be. What I'm going to do in this video is just going to go over some general things about the fact sheet project, and then I'm going to have other videos going over specific things like what your grade is based on, the content of your fact sheet, the design of your fact sheet, and the peer review process. Okay, so here on Blackboard you can see I've put information from the syllabus, or you can go directly to the syllabus to look at it. I've given you a guidelines page for the fact sheet. I've given you examples of fact sheets, and I've provided a few templates for fact sheets. You can also Google templates for fact sheets and use something else that you find. You don't have to use these. Okay, I also created one using PowerPoint that I put in there for you here. Let me open it. Maybe, there we go. So this is a website that has a bunch of templates in Microsoft Word, so you'd explore and find one. This is the one I created in PowerPoint. It's not very sophisticated, as I indicate here, but it works. And you can modify it too. And then here's a few that I found online. So you can find your own, or you can use one of these. It's up to you. Okay. So let me go to the syllabus really quick. And your grade for the fact sheet project is 35% of the total course grade, and I will go over in a different video what your grade is based on, this part of the syllabus and this information. So let's go back. You'll see on the syllabus you have all of this information. Okay, make sure you read it carefully. The videos do cover this, but use this as a reference. Okay. A couple of general items. The fact sheet should be 3 pages long. They should be 8.5 by 11 inch pages, standard page size with normal margins. And then you'll have a 4th page that's your reference list. If by some chance your reference list goes over into a 5th page, I'm not going to dock you on that because you have too many references. That's okay. All right, you can have more references than fits on one page, but your reference list doesn't have to be in the format of the template. It should just be a plain page with, like you would have in the back of a research paper, just your references listed in alphabetical order with full citations. I'll go over your references in a different video, okay, what I expect from your references. Okay, so you'll have 3 pages of the fact sheet, a 4th page of your references. And by now you've all chosen your topic, or I have selected one for you if you did not meet the deadline. Okay, so this week you should be researching your topic and creating your first version of your fact sheet. Here in the syllabus, there's a lot of information. Make sure you're reading through it. Your first draft is due this Friday by 4 p.m. Okay, so you can look through all of this yourself, but I'm going to go over some of it in the other videos. Okay, that's it for the general intro video on fact sheets.